In today's video, I'll discuss the differences between Nood and RoseSkinco. Watch till the end to know the final verdict on which is better. But first, let's start with the differences. The main difference between them is the number of flashes and their intensity level.
Make sure to check out YouTube's recommended products on the screen or down in the description, as they are related to this video and may provide you with extra help with what's been discussed so far. They are usually quite cheap and are unique to this video, so it might be worth checking out. Anyway, back to the tutorial.
The number of flashes in an IPL hair remover can produce shows its durability. Lumi hair remover by RoseSkinco has up to 900,000 flashes and 6 intensity levels. On the other hand, Nood hair remover can only produce 600,000 flashes and only has 5 intensity levels. Therefore, RoseSkinco delivers more pulse light into the hair and lasts longer before it stops working. In terms of design and package, the Nood kit is lighter, though it has a solid grip and a round mouth to capture a large skin surface at once. Its package consists of a revealer used to remove dead skin for the IPL light to reach the melanin in the hair, a flasher, the IPL device that produces wavelength light, and a reviver used to soothe the skin. On the other hand, the Lumi IPL handset by RoseSkinco only has a flasher in its package. It's heavy and more massive to the hand. Therefore, Nood has a more advanced packaging and design, resulting in a longer-lasting and quicker result time. To start seeing results, the Nood kit takes approximately 8 weeks or less to achieve permanent results. One starts noticing results after 14 days or less. On the other hand, the Lumi hair remover from RoseSkinco takes up to 12 weeks to achieve permanent results. One starts noticing spots of hairlessness in 3 weeks. Therefore, with Nood, the results are quicker to notice. But do they have any similarities? Yes, the 2 IPL hair removers are used on the whole body and have been approved by the FDA, meaning they're safe to use. To sum up, which is better, Nood or RoseSkinco? I love that RoseSkinco hair remover can produce more flashes, hence it'll last longer. However, I choose Nood as the better option because of its 3-in-1 package and quicker results. Feel free to check out the products from the links in our description. Thanks for watching.